Welcome back to Ben's Garage. In this video we have dramas with the digger. Not major dramas, but it's every digger driver's worst nightmare. We've sprung a hydraulic leak. The trouble is with these mini excavators, everything is just cram-packed in. You've got a hell of a lot of hydraulic lines. They all go to a swivel joint in the middle. I'll show you that in a minute. In the middle here you've got a swivel joint so that you can spin the excavator all the way round without tangling any pipes up. Now the one that we think has gone is what they call a spanner cylinder down on the tracks. Now this excavator's got expandable tracks, so you can bring the tracks all the way in so you can get through narrow gaps, or you can extend them right the way out for better stability, all that kind of thing. They call that cylinder that moves the tracks in and out the spanner cylinder. Don't ask me why, I have no idea. But the pipe, it's got two pipes, one either side of the cylinder, and that runs up to the swivel joint in the middle of the digger. Now, on both of those, they've got like a wire coil all the way around them, a bit like some of the old brake lines used to have. Because the pipe runs through the frame and then up to the swivel joint, the wire coil stops the pipe from chafing on the edge of the frame. Now, at some point in its life, tracks have been extended out, brought back in. I think the metal coil has caught on the frame and it's stretched it, so it's opened it right up, and now the rubber hydraulic hose has been chafing on the frame. And it's starting to weep, so we need to sort that out. I think I might have found the right pipe online to order, but it's just getting to the swivel joint because it looks a nightmare. I've not got underneath it. What I'll probably do is, today I've just took the cover off to have a look and see what's going on, because I can get to the ram side quite easy. It's just down here. I'll show you that in a minute. The swivel joint in the middle, I can't get to it from the top, but I might be able to get the digger up in the air, put axle stands under it, and see if I can drop the bottom cover and get to the swivel joint from underneath, which I think is the only way I'm going to be able to do it. But today's little exercise is just getting in there, having a look and seeing what's what. As you'll know from one of the previous videos, the digger has been away for repairs, and it's come back with even more of a leak. But to be fair, he wasn't fixing that. But yeah, saying that, we've just used it this morning and it's not leaked yet. Anyway, so I'll show you in here and see what we can find. Now I was hoping that blue thing would be the swivel joint, but it's not. That's the slew motor. The swivel joint's down underneath all those pipes, so hence the reason I'm going to have to try and get underneath, see if I can drop the cover and get to it from underneath. I think I should be able to. They can't make it too difficult. You know, obviously the fitters that come out and fix them don't struggle too much. Obviously they know what they're doing, but all the hydraulic lines up here that go into the valve block, they're all quite easy to get to. But obviously it's compact, this machine. It's a mini excavator, and things have to get crammed in. It's like with the alternator on the engine. The bloke who had it, who put a new belt on it, he said it was a right sod to get to. The alternator is on the under seat side of the engine, and there is a cover that you can take off. It's just the way that they have to fit things in, because you've got to get a lot of equipment inside a small body. But I'm thinking that I can get underneath, so I'll get it jacked up on axle stands, and I'll see if I can take the cover off the bottom, and I might be able to just get, because I think the pipe is only about 20 inches long, and there's about 10 inches sticking out there, so it only goes up a bit. And if I can get up and just get a spanner on it just to undo it at the swivel joint, it'll be a nice quick and easy fix, and that will stop the hydraulic oil leaking out all over the floor, and then we'll be up and running again. So yeah, if you've got any experience with mini diggers and all that kind of thing, let me know if I'm heading in the right direction. That's what we're going to try. But I say I've got to order this thing, this pipe. I found one on the internet, but part numbers all match up and everything, but it doesn't say what it's for. So I've asked the question, and hopefully it does fit one of it is for this. But we shall see. So yeah, drop us a thing in the comments if you've had any experience on these things. Whether it doesn't matter what make it is, because they're all going to be about the same underneath. I mean, this is a Takeuchi TB016 with expanding tracks. That's what this spanner cylinder is down here, and we'll see if we can't get this fixed. I don't want to get too dirty today because we're putting tools in the garage, so I want to be in there. Anyway, we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.